Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to screen record on a laptop. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well, because it's really quite simple and easy. Now, in order to screen record on your laptop, there is no specific option to screen record on a laptop, but you can take a screenshot simply by pressing the Windows and print screen key. Now, in order to screen record it, what you need to do is head over to your browser and then on the search bar simply type in Bandicam. Now this is the best software that is used to screen record in your laptop. Now all you gotta do is simply click on the link, and here what you need to do is simply download it. Now once you have downloaded it, all you gotta do is open it. Now once installed, you can either exit from your start menu or simply head over to the downloads and then open up the folder where the file has been downloaded. So I'm just gonna use it from right here, and you can see the Bandicam has already been installed. So once you do that, open the Bandicam app. Now once you are inside here, you'll be seeing bunch of options right here. Now in order to record it, all you gotta do is just simply click on this record button right here, or you can simply press F12 to start your screen record. So that's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.